Hello. This Today or this morning, I'd like to show you how to use the Adobe on your laptop or your Chromebook. And if you go to this page, the Canvas page of the week, and you're going to open this link right here, and you're going to click it, and within time, something should pop up like this. You're going to click this Horizon HTML access. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn your screen into a virtual screen, per se. And you're going to click TSC Desktop. And it should be looking like a Windows desktop. So it'll be a Windows 7, and it'll be a virtual world here. So no anime characters, thank you very much. So it does take a little bit of time. And it will be a little bit slower than our computers in our classroom. But this is a way around how to work on some stuff. So we're waiting it to prepare the desktop. And as you can see, they've loaded this with some software to help us. So we can right click, or excuse me, we can open Google Chrome, and we're going to also open Adobe CC. And slow here. There you are. Well, this is Adobe CC. This is Bridge. They have Illustrator, Photoshop, InDesign. So we're going to open Adobe InDesign. We double click it. And it is an older version of CC. The ones we have in our lab are 2017. And let's see if I can move this out of the way for you. There you go. This is a 2014. It still works. What might happen though in InDesign is it might not be because it's an older version. Okay, kind of works just the same here. And what we're going to do here, right now you couldn't open really anything per se, but we're going to open your Google Chrome. And we're trying to just make sure it works. There you go. And you're going to use your, I'm going to get a picture down from the internet. Or not the internet, but I apologize, the Google Drive. Because you can save something on the virtual world desktop, but as soon as you log out, it's gone. So you need to always back upload to the desktop. Okay. So you have to put your school email, and you can type. There you go. So now it's going, I know, come on, fellas. I think you have to do this like a ton of times, but it's just the way it works. So don't freak out. I'm just going to copy it and see if it'll help me a little bit. I have to type it like one more time. If you type it wrong, that's again. There you go. I want to link it because you already have your data. You don't want to create a new account or you're not getting into your stuff. So yes, okay, got it. Thank you. And then this is a Google, obviously, and we're gonna go apps, and go to my drive. And this is my Google Drive. This is a picture I was just working on just a few minutes ago. So, come on, fellas. Oops. I really didn't want to load that. I want to. What I'm trying to do here, like I said, it's a little slower. You're so used to moving pretty quickly with this. You know, in our school desktops, it does take a little bit of time. So I'm just trying to find a photo here. And that's why it's really good to have a folder where you have all your stuff. Let's see. As you can see, it's takes a moment here. There we go. That's what I want to do is I want to hit download. And I'm going to put it in Ed Tilly downloads. That's okay. Because I got to find it somewhere. Okay. Now, you got to ignore the bottom here. You're working in the virtual world here. So we're going to go back up to this. Get rid of these because goodness. Okay. So we're going to open. And it should, if I go into my downloads, see, there it is. And this is the photo I wanted to do. Okay. Then what you'll do is, like I said, it's slow. Okay. So then what you want to do is, let's say you save it, you want to do something. When you save it, you go back to File, Save As, or Save As. You know, right here I'm going to do Save As so you can see it. And you put it back in this downloads on your virtual desktop. Okay. And then you're going to take your virtual desktop and let's see, I'm going to call this Kinsey 2. Just for giggles, okay? Yes, it's a JPEG, I know that. And let's say I want to get out of Photoshop anymore, okay? So this is the virtual world here. I'm going to get out of that. Okay. And get out of there. There. Boy, get a lot of pop-ups, don't we? And we're going to move this over a little bit here. Okay. And then remember, okay, what you do is, well, we got to find our, okay. So we got to find our computer here. Or I could have, you know what, I could have saved it on their desktop. Okay. So maybe on this one, you're going to have to, let's see. There we go. That's how you can do it. Okay. So there's my Kinsey 2. See it? And I would just drag it over to my Google Drive. And, you just put it in, trying not to put it, and I just put it in my drive. And it's done. So that's how you can play with it. It is slower. That's just part of it, okay, because you're working in a virtual world. So hopefully this will work out. Have a great day. Bye.